Climate Change Series, Part 1. Section 1, Introduction. Welcome to our channel where we delve into the cutting-edge technology, creative ideas, revolutionary discoveries, and urgent environmental challenges of our time. We're excited to launch our 6-part series dedicated to fighting climate change as we explore both the obstacles and solutions that can safeguard our planet for generations to come. Join us on this crucial journey as we tackle this global issue together. Today, we'll be discussing how controlling impurities in fossil fuels can play a vital role in slowing down climate change, along with the actionable steps each of us can take to make a difference. Please see the description box below for the corresponding references. But before we delve into these topics, let's take a look at some recent news that underscores the urgency of addressing this global problem. Section 2. The urgency of climate change. According to several reports, Antarctica's Thwaites Glacier, also known as the Doomsday Glacier, is melting faster than expected and may be more prone to collapse than previously thought. This glacier is about the size of Florida and contains enough ice to raise the global sea level by more than 10 feet if it all melts. Scientists have used a robot to observe the glacier from below and found that it is being eroded by warm ocean water that is causing fractures and weakening its ice shelf. If the glacier loses its ice shelf, which acts like a buttress, it could accelerate its flow into the sea and trigger a chain reaction of instability in other glaciers nearby. This would have devastating consequences for coastal communities around the world, as well as wildlife and ecosystems that depend on polar ice. Not to mention, it would ruin our chances of ever seeing penguins or polar bears in their natural habitat. Section 3, Fossil fuel impurities and their effects. So what can we do to prevent this scenario from happening? Well, one of the main causes of climate change and glacier melting is the burning of fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and gas. These fuels contain impurities such as sulfur, chlorine, arsenic, mercury, nickel, lead, and other toxic metals that pollute the air, land, and water when they are combusted. These impurities also contribute to acid rain and ozone depletion, which harm plants, animals, and humans. And if that's not enough, it can turn your car into a portable funk factory while giving your teeth that oh-so-fashionable corn on the cob look. Section 4, Challenges of Impurity Control. However, there are several challenges associated with controlling impurities in fossil fuels. The quality and composition of fossil fuels can vary significantly depending on the source, making it difficult to develop a one-size-fits-all solution. The process of cleaning and treating fossil fuels before combustion can also be expensive, which can be a barrier for industries and power plants, especially in developing countries or regions with limited financial resources. Technological limitations and energy consumption can also be challenges, as the process and technologies used to control impurities often require energy to operate. Market forces and regulations may discourage the adoption of pre-combustion impurity control technologies, and ensuring international cooperation can be challenging due to differences in economic development, priorities, and regulations. Section 5, Solutions for Impurity Control. To overcome these challenges, we need a combination of technological innovation, financial investment, policy changes, and international cooperation. Technologies such as washing, filtering, and chemically treating fossil fuels can help remove impurities, reduce harmful content, reduce greenhouse gas emissions, and slow down global warming. Controlling impurities in fossil fuels before they are burned, during combustion, for example, by adding limestone powder, and after combustion, by treating the flue gases before they are emitted into the environment, can help reduce the negative impacts of fossil fuels, and we can save money on gas and dental care. While controlling impurities in fossil fuels is a critical step, it's important to note that it is not enough. We must decrease our reliance on fossil fuels entirely and transition to cleaner and sustainable energy sources such as solar, wind, or hydropower. These sources are plentiful, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly, and they do not emit any noise or odors. In addition, planting trees is another important action that can help mitigate the effects of climate change. Section 6, Benefits of Planting Trees. Trees are natural carbon sinks, absorbing carbon dioxide from the air and producing oxygen, but that's not all. They can also provide a range of other benefits, such as helping to reduce energy bills, mitigating the effects of flooding, and improving soil quality. Plus, they enhance the appearance of your backyard and make your Instagram photos pop. Planting trees are one of the simplest and most effective ways to fight climate change and restore our environment, and you don't need a lot of space or money to do it. Section 7, How to get involved in tree planting. Tree planting offers many opportunities for involvement, including backyard planting, community events, and online initiatives. If you want to donate or fundraise for tree planting, you can support One Tree Planted, a nonprofit organization that plants one tree for every dollar donated around the world. You can also create your own fundraiser page and invite your friends and family to join you, or you can just send them this video link and hope they get the hint. If you want to volunteer or partner with local organizations, you can contact Arbor Day Foundation, the largest nonprofit membership organization dedicated to planting trees. They have various programs and initiatives that help plant trees in urban areas, forests, schools, parks, etc. You can also join their Tree City USA program, which recognizes communities that meet 4 core standards of urban forestry management, or you can become the ultimate tree planting ninja, stealthily planting saplings and creating forests while you leave a trail of oxygen-rich air and confused squirrels in your wake. If you want to plant a tree in your own backyard or dedicate a tree or a grove to someone special, you can visit the National Forest website and choose from different options and locations. You can also join them to plant your tree in person at one of their sites. So what are you waiting for? Planting a tree is fun, easy, and rewarding. Whether you do it online, in person, or on your own, you'll be making a difference for yourself, your loved ones, and the planet. Section 8. The importance of individual action. While collective action and policy changes are crucial to addressing climate change, individual actions can also make a difference. You can reduce your carbon footprint by using energy-efficient appliances, driving less, eating less meat, and reducing waste. You can also support businesses and products that prioritize sustainability and eco-friendliness. Section 9. Conclusion. That wraps up part 1 of our climate change series. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll explore the impacts of impurities in fossil fuels, global warming, and global dimming. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and enable notifications so you don't miss the upcoming episodes in our exciting 6-part series on combating climate change. Stay connected for more fascinating insights and powerful strategies to help us protect our precious planet together.